If you don't pick a day to rest, your body will pick it for you. Rachel Hollis. Burnout isn't just real, it's trending. Justin Bieber, Simone Biles.
Basically, like, your mind and your body is at a disconnect. Your body is going to try to do something, and your mind is going to be like, no, you're not doing this. That's kind of how it feels like. You've been doing something for so long, and you now no longer have control.
One by one, creators are stepping back, not from fame, but from overload. Burnout isn't a badge, it's a warning. This is Discipline Arts. Let's fix it. You've heard the lie. If you're not suffering, you don't want it bad enough. Simone Biles stepped back from the Olympics. Kanye vanished. Zayn walked away from a global empire. They weren't weak. They were done being overpushed. Burnout isn't proof of passion. It's proof of poor boundaries. Have you ever wanted to quit something you used to love? Drop it in the comments. Burnout is creative hypothermia. You can't feel the work anymore. The World Health Organization calls it an occupational syndrome. It shows up in waves, exhaustion, cynicism, doubt. You didn't lose your gift. You lost your structure. You don't recover from burnout by doing more. You recover by doing better. Let's look at what I call the reset stack. A 5-step system to rebuild your creativity from the inside out. Step 1. Quiet reset. Step 1 is the quiet reset. 1 full day, no input, no podcasts, no videos, no scrolling. You're not ghosting the world. You're listening to yourself again. Walk without headphones. Make coffee slow. Sit in silence for 10 minutes. This isn't productivity. It's detox. It's nervous system recovery. You don't need more content. You need to hear your own thoughts again. Step 2. Energy audit. Next is the energy audit. On a blank page, draw 2 columns. 1, what drains me. 2, what builds me. Not just tasks, but people, habits, commitments. Is that group chat helping? That client? That daily scroll? Burnout isn't doing too much. It's giving energy to the wrong things. Cut what kills your clarity. Step 3. Light creation only. Step 3 is light creation only. No deadlines, no pressure. Just creation without consequence. Doodle, journal, voice note, an idea you'll never use. Psychologists call this non-goal-based creation. It rewires your imagination. Your creativity needs to feel safe again. Make something messy and don't show anyone. Step 4. Rest with intention. Now, rest with intent. This isn't about crashing. It's about recovering on purpose. Sleep before midnight. Read something non-digital. Stretch. Breathe. Don't just let your body sleep. Teach it that it's safe. Rest is not a reward. It's a requirement. Step 5. Reconnect with meaning. Why did you start? Who are you creating for? And do they even matter? You weren't made to serve an algorithm. You were made to express something real. Write it down. 1 sentence. Your mission. Let it guide your return. With intention, not impulse. Almost everything will work again if you unplug it, including you. If this hit you in the gut, it was meant to. Comment below, what's 1 boundary you need to set this week for your mind, your time, or your art? Ready to build your craft with clarity? Like and subscribe if you're done with burnout culture. Also, download the Creative Focus Kit below. It's not just a template, It's your structure.